Hi kids, in this session you are going to learn about working multiplier. Okay. Now we are here assuming that the government, what it's doing, it investing the expenditure of rupees 100 crores. And what are the things it doing the expenditure means for the wages and as well as for the price of materials. Okay. Wages means to whom they are giving, only to the laborers only they are giving that. And the price of material means they are giving the money to the suppliers, those who are supplying the materials. Okay, for both of these things, that means for the wages and for the price of materials alone, the government spending 100 crores. Okay, that means the investment only. That one investment means we are saying here as a expenditure. That means the government, they are doing some expenditure as a investment. Okay, when they are doing like that, investment means industry only they are doing the investment, we are saying, as well as it is the expenditure. Okay, now then means the labor, he will receive the wages of, that means from this 100 crores, that labor and the supplier, these both, they both alone getting the income of rupees 100 crores. They both alone they getting the income of rupees 100 crores. If suppose the MPC, that means the marginal propensity consume is 0.8. 0.8 means only the 80%. That means in the 100 crores, they are spending only the 80%. 80% means 80 crores. Means 20% is the saving. Okay, that means the 20 crores is saving. And same the how if 100 crores as it is we are spending alone, the laborers as well as the suppliers both they will receive 100 crores. If we are spending, that means the government they are spending only the 80 crores, that means from the 100 they are spending only 80 crores, means the laborers and suppliers they both will get only the 80 crores. Okay, same like that only they are doing the same thing, that it's continuing, goes on. If 80%, only the 80 crores and only the investment. 80 crores investment means what they are doing in this one 80%. In this one 80% means 64 crores. That means each and every time they are reducing. The investment. First they are investing 100 crores and afterwards they are investing only the 80% in that 100 crores. That means 80 crores. And after that they are investing only the 80% in the 80 crores. That means the 64 crores. If it's going on. Okay, from this what we are doing, we are coming to the conclusion that the final result it will be like this: delta y equal to 100 plus 100 into 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the 0.8. Okay, 4 by 5 wherever y delta y I said as a income, isn't it? Income 100 plus 100 into 4 by 5. That means this one is the final result. Okay, final result 4 by 5 plus 100 into 4 by 5 whole square. This one as a 4 by 5 only 0.8. In the fractional manner I wrote here. Here it will come as a, that means in the decimal manner we are writing that one as a 0.8. Same only, both same alone. Okay, if you want you may take this one, otherwise you may go on this one alone. Okay, next, if 0.8 into 100 it will come as 80. 0.8 square means 0.64. Okay, 0.64 into 100 64. Like this only it's going on. At last we will get the income as 500 crores when we are using, that means when we are using for first 100 crores, that means the investment is 100 and after that it goes on reducing. That means at last we will get as a income as delta y equal to 500 crores. How we can able to do this one, that also we may see here. Okay, that means 100 into 1 by 1 minus 4 by 5. Okay, 1 is the whole thing, isn't it? In that one, how much we are reducing there? 4 by 5 we are reducing in that one. It means 100 into 1 by 5. When we are taking the LCM, 5 minus 4 by 5, like this it will come. Okay, that means 1 by 5. It will move to the, that means into the numerator. If it's moving to the numerator, 100 into 5 equal to 500 crores. What we done here, same thing alone we are getting here also, isn't it? Okay, if suppose the C equal to 100 plus 0.8y. This is everything we are assuming. Okay, if C equal to 100 plus 0.8y, C means conception, I means investment, I is 100 means y, what will be the y? Y, the formula is for the y is C plus I alone the formula. That means y equal to 100 this year. Okay, 100 plus 0.8y plus this 100. Here 0.8y, here 1y we are already having. Okay, that means what we are doing, from this 1y we are reducing the 0.8y. Okay, when we are reducing it, how much we are getting? That means when we are minusing it, how much we are getting? There 0.2y. That alone I wrote here. 100 plus 100, 200. Y equal to 200 divided by 0.2. What the answer you are getting? There 1000. That means when the investment is 100 means the income is 1000. Okay, when the same that investment increased by 110 means what you are getting? Same 0.2y only it will come, but here only what it will come there? Here 100 as it is only come, but I alone we are changing there. I alone we are changing means it will come as here, that means see here 100 plus 0.8y plus I is 110, isn't it? Here what I already said, 1y is here. Okay, when we are subtracting both this one, that means the 1y and 0.8y already I given here 0.2y. When you are subtracting, that we are getting 100 plus 110, 210. When you are dividing, that alone I showed here. Okay, 210 divided by 0.2 means 1050. That means if the investment it increased by 10 means income it is increased by 50. That means we are getting 5 times income. Okay, next we will move on to the another one. Okay, already I explained that if the income that means the investment it increased by 10 means the income it will increase by 50, I said. That means 5 times I said, isn't it? That is only we are saying as a working multiplier, that we may check through the graph also. Okay, when the consumption and as well as the income both 500 means what will be the working multiplier? First we will check that one. Okay, consumption and what is that one? Sorry, consumption and income both at 500. That means at the point A both are equal. That means what will be the working multiplier? C equal to, already we studied this one, C equal to 100 plus 0.8y, isn't it? 100 plus 0.8 into y, what they given already 500, isn't it? That means if when we are multiplying this 500 into 0.8 we are getting 400. Okay, 0 it will be cancelled, 400 only we are getting. That means 100 plus 400 equal to C equal to 500. What they given here, y equal to C equal to 100 only given. That means it proved, isn't it? Then both are same. That means the income as well as consumption both are equal means savings will be 0. Savings will be 0 because from the income we are, what we are doing, we are subtracting the consumption to get the savings. Okay, okay, here when we are getting that means 500 minus 500 equal to 0. Savings means savings is equal to income minus consumption. That means the I minus y. Okay, sorry, y minus C. From y minus C only we are getting the savings. This one, that means how we can able to prove this one, that only we are going to see now. When if the income it received by 1000, okay, that means it increased 1000, then what will be the consumption? We will check there. Okay, now we are checking that in the point D. Okay, now you can see here same formula only, 100 plus 0.8y. 0.8y what they given 1000. 1000 means 0.8 into 1000 we are getting, what we are getting is 800 we will get. Okay, that means 800 plus 100 equal to 900. What is given here? Y equal to 1000. Y income. Income is 1000 but consumption only 900. What will be the saving? 100 is saving. That means this 100 what we are taking this one as a investment we are taking for the next one. Okay, That savings alone we are taking. How we are taking that one for the investment for the next what we are going to do next business, like that also we may say. Okay, if suppose the y is 1050, if suppose the y is 1050, that means the income is here 1000, here 1050, what will be the consumption? C equal to, there actually in another one what I explained that one through the I explained, isn't it? Same thing alone I am explaining here, same only I am explaining here. If suppose they given the y, what will be the income, that means the investment, that means what will be the savings only, investment I told, isn't it? Savings alone we are saying as a investment. That means what will be the I only we are calculating here. In the last one what I said, what will be if the investment they given from the conception and investment, we are calculated the income. Same what we got the answer, same only we are also going to get here. Okay, see here. Now income is 1050. C equal to 100 plus 0.8 into 1050. That means what we are getting the answer 940. 1000 minus 1050. 1050 only y. Y minus C. So how much we got? 940. What is the savings there? 110. What is the savings there? 110. That means that I is increased by 10. When the income is increased by 50, the investment is increased by 10. Okay, that means that alone. What we are saying here already I told 5 times, multiples of the 5 times only we are getting that. Okay, as a income. Okay, that means the multiplier effect is k equal to 5. How we are writing this one again? K equal to 1 by 0.2 equal to 5. That means 0.2 is the 20% savings. Already in the first itself I explained that one, isn't it? 20% is savings, and in 100 80% is, what is that one? 80% only we are consuming there, and 20% is savings I told, isn't it? That only they given like this, 1 by 0.2. 1 by 0.2 means we will get the 5. Okay children, thank you.